Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather today, encompassing eastern Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Cities in today's enhanced include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Emporia, Kansas, and Ponca City, Oklahoma. There's a slight risk area today covering a tiny bit of north central Texas, central Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, western and northern Missouri, southeastern Nebraska, most of Iowa, far western Wisconsin, and southern Minnesota. Excuse me. Cities in today's slate include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. Alright, the dark green is the marginal. Cities in today's marginal include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, and Aurora, Illinois. Alright, so going to the tornado threat for today. There's a 10% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses parts of Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Wichita, Kansas, Emporia, Kansas, Derby, Kansas, Newton, Kansas, and El Dorado, Kansas. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes today covering north central Oklahoma. The 5% covers north central Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, and southeastern Nebraska. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. There is a 2% chance of tornadoes today in the dark green. Alright, areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area for today in the dark green. Excuse me. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Des Moines, Iowa. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index, alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1 strength today. Alright. Alright, I'm not saying the EF1 or higher can't happen. I said the black dashed area. I'm not saying the EF1 or higher can't happen. I said the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the EF1 tornadoes will be. The EF1 tornadoes are stronger. Has the highest chance of happening in the black dashed area. Within the black dashed area, the highest potential for the EF1 tornadoes or higher is within the black dashed area. Alright, within the black dashed area. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0, but again, can't run on EF1 outside the black dashed area. But again, the highest potential is the highest potential for the EF1 or higher is within the black dashed area for today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Lawton, Oklahoma. And now for the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering north central Oklahoma, western and northern Missouri, eastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, most of Iowa, southern Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. The 15% wind risk area for today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. Alright, the brown is the 5% wind risk area for today. Alright. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, and Lincoln, Nebraska. thing just decided to update on me for no apparent reason, but whatever. Going to the hail threat now. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Shading the 30% hail risk area today includes Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Emporia, Kansas, and Ponca City, Oklahoma. There is a 15% chance of hail of, there's a 15% hail risk area today covering a tiny bit of north central Texas, central Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, far northwestern Missouri, far southeastern Nebraska, parts of Iowa, south central Minnesota, and a tiny bit of west central Wisconsin. Shading the 15% hail risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Des Moines, Iowa. Areas in the brown are in a 5% hail risk area for today. The brown is the 5% hail risk area for today. Alright, shading the 5% hail risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2, on the hail intensity index for today. Alright, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, within the black dashed area. I'm not saying the 2-inch hail can't happen outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying the 2-inch hail can't happen outside the black dashed area. Alright, it's very possible that it happens outside the black dashed area. But again, the highest potential, so to speak, for the 2-inch hail or larger is within the black dashed area for today. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area, but still in the hail risk, could still see hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter today. Alright? Shading the black dashed area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Wichita Falls, Texas. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and evening from the southern and central plains into the lower to mid-Missouri Valley and upper Mississippi Valley. Tornadoes, very large hail, and severe wind gusts will be possible. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in, alright? Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in, okay? So, I will not have my day 2 outlook this afternoon. Because I have school today. My class runs from 1:30 to 4 p.m., so I have to leave for school at 11:30 a.m., and I'm not getting home until after 5 p.m., so just so everybody's aware, I will not have my day 2 severe weather outlook video today. I'm going to have SPC Convective Outlooks fill in for me for the day 2 outlook today. But regardless, stay safe today in the affected areas, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.